I'm beginning to feel hungry.
So am I. I really could eat something.
How about pizza?
I'm not sure. Not really in the mood for a pizza.
Neither am I.
Okay, let's look for something else. But I want to eat. Soon.
No problem. I do too.
I like Japanese food a lot.
So do I, but
We could get some sushi.
yeah, I'm just not sure that's what I want.
But Luis, I'm hungry.
So am I. I'm just not sure about sushi.
Where do you want to go?
Well, there's a Mexican restaurant across the street. You know I love Mexican food,
So do I, but
but
I just really wanted to try something different.
okay. Come on, let's go.
Hey, a Thai restaurant.
I've never had Thai food.
Neither have I. Seafood curry, prawns and coconut milk. Sounds good.
Stir-fried chicken with ginger, green curry.
I think that's really spicy.
That's okay. I like spicy food.
Me too.
Let's try it.
Welcome. Do you have any questions about the menu?
Yes. How is this dish? Prawns and coconut milk?
That's very good. It's one of our most popular dishes.
What about the green curry?
That's very spicy.
That's fine. I like spicy food.
Do you need a little more time to decide? I can get you your drinks while you read the menu.
Okay. I'd like ginger and honey tea.
Okay.
And I'll have a jasmine smoothie.
Okay. And I'll be right back with your drinks.
Thank you. Hey, Carmen, look at that.
Wow. What is that?
I don't know, but it looks so good. Hey, let's ask.
Here we are. One ginger and honey tea, and one jasmine smoothie. Have you guys decided?
Can you tell me what that is?
That is our special Thai pizza. We put grilled prawns and scallions on a thin layer of pizza dough. It is delicious.
Hey, Luis. How about a...
Pizza. We'll have the Thai pizza, please.